What is going on, LEGO investors? So today we're talking about a set that is absolutely loved by everyone, personally and investors. This is an extremely popular set. It retired at the end of 2023, but is still in stock. And I see a lot of people commenting on YouTube and Facebook talking about how they're waiting for another sale to come. And that's why I want to make this video, to see your thoughts of whether you think it will go back on sale or do you think it's going to dry up in stock and go out of stock completely within a few days. And I'd love to hear your thoughts and opinions on this set. A lot of people think it will do amazing. A lot of people think it will do okay. I think it's going to do okay. It would have been a great set, but it's been over hoarded. But I'll give my thoughts and opinions on it. But please comment yours below. It definitely helps the community and it helps other investors, which I appreciate when you do comment. So let's dive into it. This set is the Medieval Blacksmith. This is an extremely popular set for personal buying and investing. A ton of investors had this set. This was a grand slam, but it became over hoarded in the investor community. So that's why I kind of think it will do okay. I don't think it's going to do absolutely insane like it should have done, but this was a kind of this upset a lot of people because it was originally, I believe, 150 around that range, and then they raised it to 180, and that upset a lot of people, and that deterred a lot of investors to wait for sales. And I think that's why we kind of have so much inventory in stock right now. But it is sold out on Lego.com. And I absolutely love the set because I think it falls into the Viking theme because people are building more and more Viking themes or villages and towns and with castles and all those villages. It's becoming more and more popular, kind of like city building. There's big money in city building, and we're just getting more kind of sets like this, and people are just growing their towns and communities that they're building. And I think this is a great set, and it's absolutely beautiful. The builder did an absolute great job. It reminds me of the Rivendell set. The Rivendell set is absolutely beautiful, and I think this falls into this category. So this set has 4 minifigures, and the value of the minifigures is quite low. And surprisingly, they're unique, which when investing, you want your minifigures to be unique. So I think it's kind of just gone down in price. I think these would have been a lot more just because of how much inventory is on the market. But right now, the Black Falcon is the highest at $621. I mean, they're not bad prices. I really wish these were $10 minifigures. That would really kind of help this set. But at retail 180, it's a tough buy because I think you're going to get maybe 230, 250. I do not think we're going to get above 260. That would be the best case scenario. It's just been so heavily hoarded, and it's a phenomenal set, but there's just too many investors and there's going to be too much inventory on the market. It could be if this is the only blacksmith we ever get, yes, maybe 10 years down the line it could blow past that 260, who knows? But I think just with how it is and how many investors have bought this set and how much inventory is currently out there, I think a realistic number would be around the 250 range. Maybe a little more, maybe a little less. Now, I give my rating on selling locally, not online. You might be able to get more on Amazon. Obviously, Amazon sells for a premium if you sell there, but I don't sell online. I only sell locally. And if you're curious about how I do that and questions about that, I have made a video, so check that out. I do see a lot of comments when I let people know that in the videos. But this set, yeah, I wish the minifigures were worth a lot more money. Like I said, I classify this in the Viking theme. The Viking theme has done phenomenal, and it just has a history of doing well. It doesn't have the Viking name to it, but I think it falls in that category of, town building. If it's in there, the same style. Now, it's not going to do anywhere near these types of sets. Nowhere near it. The Viking Village, again, we're seeing a lot more sets come up every so often, and it just builds more and more. And a medieval blacksmith, fits in perfectly. I think the style of it is great. So right now it is available on Walmart for $174.99, and that's, you know, that's retail, and I really, the price that it should be is 150. I got mine on sale. I believe it was for 135 on Amazon. I think like a month or two ago, and that was a phenomenal price. And I thought that would have sold out on Amazon, but it didn't. They're still in stock. And then if you look at Barnes and Noble, it's still in stock here for 180. Again, if you got the membership, you could get a 10% discount, which is awesome when Lego investing, but even then, it's still rough. But I gotta say, if you were to buy from any store, I'd probably lean for the Barnes & Noble just because of the discount, but I would do it for in-store only. I'm not sure how Barnes & Noble does the returns. They could be, it could be a nightmare with that, so just do your due diligence, look into that before you order. And then we got Target. So Target, it is sold out, which is a really, really great sign. I love that it is sold out here. And then on eBay, let's take a look at how it's currently doing. So surprisingly, 190 here, 180, let's see, 180 again, 220, 160. So honestly, it's doing pretty decent for still being in stock. You get 150 here, but shipping. So yeah, I'm really shocked with the pricing on eBay. I would have expected it to be a lot lower with just how much it how long it's been out and how much inventory we have. So that is a really, really great sign. So this set came out in 2021, it retired 2023, so it has been out a little while, but it is heavily, heavily hoarded. So if you're new to investing, you need to be aware of that. This is a kind of a fan favorite for Lego investors, and just do not think this set is going to go berserk and to the moon like it originally was supposed to. If it retired at the end of 2022, there's a chance we could have hit the 300, maybe more, but the fact that it's been out for so long, and again, a fan favorite with investors, it's not going to do as well as people think. I hope I'm wrong. I truly, truly hope I'm wrong because I want us all to make as much money as possible. But realistically, we have to look at the market right now, and we are in a Lego recession. I personally kind of think we're in a Lego depression right now, which I'm going to make some videos on soon. But anyways, please comment your thoughts and opinions on this set. Do you think it's going to sell out, or do you think some of these are going to go on sale like at Walmart, Amazon? I would love to hear it. But as always, please do your own research, have some fun, make some money.
Video is not financial advice. Any statements made are my views and is for entertainment purposes only and should not be taken as financial advice. Do your own research before making any financial investments.